Welcome back to my channel, guys. Here we are in Berlin. The DreamWorldExporer in association with GPSmyCity. The Brandenburg Gates, probably the most well-known landmark in any German city. During the Cold War, the Brandenburg Gates was actually inside East Germany, locked away from the rest of the world. I'm actually walking the same line of where the Berlin Wall used to be. So guys, this is the Winter Garden. It's the oldest theatre in Berlin from the 1920s. And then through to the modern time, they kept the same decor. Let's have an explore, see what's happening. Am I okay to have a wander around?
Yeah, sure. And
Can I go upstairs? Is that fine?
Yeah, and I recommend the toilets.
Okay.
They're very beautiful.
Yeah. Okay. I'll have a quick wander around. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, I'm going on the stage. How cool is this? This is the toilets. Really? Berlin's TV tower, 368 meters tall. On the very top, there's a revolving restaurant, and on top of that, a viewing platform. And on a clear day, you can see over 40 kilometers. Checkpoint Charlie, immortalised by many spy novels and movies, and it was the only passing point between East and West during the Cold War. Now we're going to do something which you couldn't do 50 years ago. I'm going to walk freely between West, American sector, and East, the German sector. So we have currywurst, meatball, sauerkraut, mustard, potato salad. Enjoy, boys. Mustafa's kebabs. Look at the queue.
GPSmyCity is a handy app with thousands of self-guided walks to help explore places you visit. Lose yourself without getting lost. The app turns your phone into a personal tour guide using the built-in GPS function. The tours and articles included in this app operate offline without any need of data plan or internet connection, so you don't need to worry about expensive roaming. The DreamWorldExporer is using the GPSmyCity Berlin Third Reich walk that is preloaded onto the app.
Our first stop of the Third Reich walk. Behind me is the Reichstag building. The Reichstag building is the home of German Parliament, internationally recognisable since 1894. The Holocaust Memorial, built to commemorate the Holocaust and the Jews that died. There are 2,711 concrete slabs, and each slab commemorates each page of the Mamu. Stood on the site of Hitler's bunker. Really, not a lot to see, other than a car park. Goebbels' propaganda building. Chief of the Nazis, Joseph Goebbels. This is where he did his propaganda from. Hermann Göring's Luftwaffe Air Force headquarters, one of the largest buildings in Europe with over 2,800 rooms. The topography of terror, depicting the atrocities of the SS and the Nazis between 1933 and 1945. It's quite a somber place.